This is an overview video for the CADSharp Toolbox feature copy. While inside a Part Studio, open up the CADSharp Toolbox and open feature copy. What this will do is it will show you a list of all the features in your feature tree and allow you to save them as a preset in this app, and then you can go to any document and insert those features. So we'll call this one Frame Grid. And we want the current studio. We'll grab all of these as the default to be inserted whenever we select it. So save. Now let's go to a new document. Open up the toolbox. Yeah, feature copy. And then select the preset and insert the features. And it inserts the features over here in the tree. Looks like there's a bug and it missed one of the inputs. We'll probably have this fixed by the time the app gets launched, but I'll edit that real quick. Just select that sketch. There it is. So now you can quickly insert features from a drop-down selection. If you want to save these and back them up or move from browser to browser, then you can go to the CADSharp Toolbox Home and download your settings, and then you can upload them as well. So if you wanted to share your toolbox settings, including the feature copy list that you have with others, then you can do that using the downloadable JSON. And that's all for the feature copy.